Let's know the name of the 5 fingers. This is thumb. Fingers means with the index. Finger means tarjani. Middle finger means Madhyama. Ring finger means Anamika. Little fingers means Conista. Thumb, finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and little finger with the tarjani, Madhyama, অনামিকা এবং কনিষ্ঠা। এই হলো 5টা আঙুলের নাম। This is the names of the 5 fingers.